Anna. How was your day today?
Hey, Mark. It was fun. I went shopping for clothes this afternoon.
Oh, nice. Did you find anything you liked?
Yes, I found a beautiful dress and a new jacket. But I spent quite a bit of time trying things on.
I know that feeling. Sometimes it takes forever to try on clothes and decide what fits best.
Exactly. I always check the size carefully and see how it looks in the mirror. And sometimes I ask the shop assistant for advice.
That's smart. Do you usually ask for help when shopping?
Sometimes I like to ask questions like, do you have this in a different size? Or could I see another color?
Oh, I do that too. And it's useful to know phrases like, where is the fitting room? Or, can I try this on?
Yes, those are essential. Today, I also asked, is this on sale? And do you have any discounts?
Good questions. I sometimes forget to ask for discounts. Did you find any good deals?
Actually, yes. The jacket was 20% off, so I got it at a good price.
That's great. Did you also check the material? Sometimes it makes a big difference.
Definitely. I feel the fabric and check the label. For example, this dress is cotton, so it's soft and breathable.
Very important. I also pay attention to the color. Sometimes the color looks nice on the hanger, but different on me.
Yes, I tried a red shirt today, but it didn't suit me, so I chose a navy one instead.
Smart choice. Did you buy any accessories too?
A little. I found a scarf that matches my new jacket. It was really cute.
Perfect. Did you shop in a mall or a smaller boutique?
Both, actually. I started in a boutique for the dress and then went to the mall for the jacket and scarf.
Nice. I like small boutiques for unique items, and malls are good for variety.
Exactly. I also practice asking for different sizes. The shop assistant said, we have medium and large in the back.
That's good. Sometimes they don't put everything out, so it's always helpful to ask.
Yes, and I also asked, do you have a return policy just in case?
Smart thinking. Did you have time to look at shoes?
Not today. I was too tired after trying on clothes, but I'll go next weekend.
Shoes can be tricky too. I usually check comfort first.
Yes, comfort is very important. And sometimes I walk around in the shoes in the store to make sure they fit.
Good idea. Did you pay by card or cash today?
Card. I usually use a card for convenience.
Me too. Did you get a receipt for your purchases?
Of course. Always good to have one in case I need to return something.
Exactly. And sometimes I like to ask, do you have a gift receipt if I'm buying for someone else?
That's helpful. Oh, another thing. I also ask the assistant, do you have this in another style? Because I like the color but wanted a different design.
That's smart. So today you really practiced useful shopping phrases.
Yes, I feel more confident asking questions in English.
That's great. Did you see many people shopping today?
Yes, the mall was busy. I had to wait a few minutes for the fitting room.
I know that feeling, but it's fun to be around the crowd sometimes, especially during sales.
Exactly. I also noticed some signs with buy one, get one free offers. That caught my attention.
Who doesn't look a good deal? Did you get anything from that offer?
Not today. I just focused on what I really needed.
Smart shopping. Did you enjoy your time overall?
Yes, very much. It was fun to try clothes, see new styles, and find something that fits me perfectly.
That's the best feeling after a shopping trip. Did you learn any new words today while shopping?
Yes, words like fitting room, return policy, on sale, discount, and accessories.
Perfect. Those are really useful. And it's good practice to use full sentences when asking questions.
Exactly. I feel more confident now. Next time, I can shop without feeling nervous about asking for help.
Great! Well, it sounds like you had a productive and fun day shopping for clothes.
Yes, it was. I'm excited to wear my new jacket and dress soon.
I bet they look amazing. Thanks for sharing your day with me, Anna.
Thanks, Mark. It was fun talking about it. Let's do this again soon.
Definitely. See you tomorrow, Anna.
Bye, Mark. Have a great evening.